Paul Greblick asked a very, very good question. Why do I use the free evaluation version of Reaper when I'm showing you my tips and tricks and not the full version? Well, first of all, I do have the full version. I have paid the $60, and I think everybody should. It's dirt cheap, especially for what you get. It's an amazing piece of software, and $60 is nothing really. So I use the full version of Reaper for all my professional work. I use it for all my voiceover work, but I use this version, you can see it's on a flash disk, and I use it from a flash disk just to show you that everything works on the free evaluation version. Simple as that, because I'm pretty sure that this is what most people will be using when they first use Reaper, because you download it, you install it, maybe on a flash drive, maybe on a computer, and then you're going to make sure that it's the right thing for you. Make sure that it fits with your workflow, your way of recording. And once you've figured out how to do everything on Reaper, then you can pay the $60 like I did and get the full license. And then it is exactly the same. Nothing changes. All of those presets that I give you, they all work. All of the settings that you save, they will remain the same when you buy the license. But to set it all up, you can set everything up on the free version, the evaluation version. So there you go. That's why I use the free evaluation version, just to show you everything still works. Till next time, bye.